Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we are learning the makhraj of noon, how to pronounce noon perfectly, which part of the mouth we will engage to pronounce the noon properly. This is what makhraj is. So, how we say noon, we use tip of the tongue. So, this is our first component, tip of the tongue and touching the gum of the upper two teeth. The first thing is tip of the tongue. So this is the first thing you will engage, and this is the first one. One. So the second thing is the gum of the upper two teeth. So upper two teeth, the gum. So the tip of your tongue will be touching the gum of the upper two teeth. Okay, only the two teeth, the gum of the two teeth will be engaged. Okay, so how we say it like na, short vowels first. For fatha you are opening your jaw, na. For kasra you are saying ni, short. And for dhamma you're circling your lips, nu. And can you feel that you are engaging tip of your tongue and it is touching the gum of the upper two teeth. Na. First you feel that place. First you consciously use the tip of your tongue. You just touch with your hand, or you touch with your gum, anything. You just feel it, tip of your tongue. And the second thing, the gum of the upper two teeth. So place your tongue, tip of your tongue there, and now start saying na. So for fatha, you will open your jaws to say na, ni. Circle your lips for dhamma, nu, na, 2 counts long, ni, 2 counts long. These are the long vowels, nu. And then with sakun, an, na, ni, nu, na, ni, nu, and okay. So the easiest part is there are three letters. First one is noon. The second one is a raw. So they are almost very close. The makhraj is very close. That's why I'm taking these three letters together. So this is a raw, and the makhraj of raw is tip of the tongue along with the, okay, I wish I can write quickly. Okay, tip of the tongue. Okay, this is the same with noon, right? Tongue along with the front sides of the tongue, along with with front sides. Front sides are engaged too. Along with front sides sides of sides of the tongue. Okay, this is the third thing. Actually, this is the one thing. Tip of the tongue and along with front sides of the tongue. Okay, and then touching the gums of upper four teeth. Touching 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 the gums of upper how many teeth? 4 teeth. Yes, 4 teeth. Okay. So here you were engaging only gums of the 2 teeth for noon. But for ra, same thing you're doing, but you're using the tip of your tongue along the sides of the tongue, touching the gum of upper 4 teeth. Here were 2 teeth. Now you are engaging the gums of 4 teeth. And the exercise will be ra, ri, ru. Ra, ri, ru. And with sukoon, it's aru. Sorry, aru. Sorry, it's sukoon. Okay. Wait, I will erase it. It's aru. Okay. So ra, ri, ru, ra, ri, ru, aru. Okay. The third letter, which has is the very close makhraj, very close. The place is very close to pronounce is lam. Lam. So the makhraj is very much the same, like tip of the tongue along with the frontal sides of the tongue touching the gum of upper 8 teeth. 8 teeth. Now you are using the gum of 8 teeth. Long side, right? So the exercise will be la, li, lu. La, li, lu, al, al. Sorry, it is sukoon. Al. So la, li, lu. La, li, lu, al. So here you're using tip of your tongue. Only the tip of the tongue is engaged in noon, and using the gum of upper 2 teeth for raw tip of the tongue, and along with front sides of tongue touching the gum of upper 4 teeth. 4 teeth. And then for lam, you're using the same thing, tip of your tongue along with front side of the tongue touching the gum of upper 8 teeth. Okay. سبحانك اللهم ربنا وبحمدك نشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت نستغفرك ونتوب إليك. But we will be discussing the same makhraj in next video too, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.